Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know, I have been using a camera gimbal for over 5 years now to film my YouTube projects and other commercial projects. And let me tell you, this DJI RS4 gimbal is a game changer. So if you are even thinking of getting a gimbal, this video is for you. I have been putting the RS4 through its paces for the past 4 months, filming my filmmaking course, a web series in Vietnam, a project in Thailand. This thing has been everywhere. DJI recently sent me this RS4 combo to work on a promo campaign with them. Now since I already had one and I loved it, so I jumped at the chance. First things first, what exactly is a gimbal? Well, if you're filming a shot with any camera movement and you are just holding your camera in your hand, your footage is gonna look shaky. Like really shaky. Now sometimes we do want that intentional shake to create effect, but most of the time smooth buttery footage just looks way more professional and cinematic. And that's where camera gimbal comes in. It stabilizes your camera, giving you that smooth cinematic look without any of that shake. So why the DJI RS4 and who is this gimbal for? Honestly, pretty much anyone who is serious about their videos. Content creators, wedding filmmakers, corporate videographers, real estate, you name it. If you are a solo video creator, this thing is a beast. I have used a ton of gimbals in the past, but this thing is a game changer for a few reasons. First off, the stability is incredible. You can just focus on your shot, make those subtle movements, and DJI RS4 takes care of the rest. No more jerky footage. These Teflon coated axis arms make balancing super smooth and easy. And DJI has clearly thought about filmmakers while designing it. It's so intuitive to use. Check this out. Press the start button and all the axes unlock automatically. No more fiddling around with 3 separate locks. And to lock it down, just press and hold the start button and boom, it's done. It's the little things that make a huge difference on the shoot. Then there is this switch on the side, super helpful for locking the joystick to prevent accidental movements while filming. And if you have got a zoom lens connected, you can control it right from the joystick in the gimbal. Now if you are creating content for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, you know how important vertical video is. The RS4 has you covered with its 2nd generation native vertical shooting. Just release this plate, mount it here, balance it, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Another awesome feature, and this is unique to this version of DJI gimbal, is the extended tilt axis. They have extended the tilt axis by 8.5mm. Now it might not sound like a big feature, but if you are filming using a zoom lens on your camera, this creates a huge difference. Also, while you are taking your crane shots, while moving your camera from top to bottom, it makes it very easier with this extended tilt axis. Also, if you're planning to mount any big cameras like Alexa or RE, it makes it very easy to mount on this gimbal because of the extended tilt axis. And get this, The RS4 gives you 12 hours of battery life. Grab this extended battery grip and you can bump that up to almost 29.5 hours. Plus, it has a payload capacity of 3 kgs. To give you an idea, my Sony FX3 with a 24-105mm G series lens weighs about 1.4 kgs. Alright, let's see this thing in action. I have been using RS4 for everything, from run and gun shoots to capturing those smooth cinematic movements. It's so versatile and the results speak for themselves. So there you have it, the DJI RS4. This gimbal is an absolute beast and I can't recommend it enough. If you are serious about your video, whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, the RS4 is an investment that'll pay off big time. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to hit like, subscribe and push that notification bell to watch more videos like this.